Hi guys and welcome to Tech Anorak. So thought I'd do a quick video now on my Pixel 4a in it's nearly August 2021. As you can see, it's 28th of July I'm filming this. But yeah, I switched to my iPhone 11 at the start of July, and I am loving my iPhone 11, but I've still got big love for this guy. I did a video the other night on this one from when as I say, my daughter threw it out the moving car window, and we were just coming to park up in a hotel car park, and she the back window was open, as you've probably seen on that video, and she threw it out. But yeah, it's a tough little guy, I tell you. I think this definitely helped. This is a case I was talking about, the Speaking Tough Armor, which again you've probably seen on the channel a few times. There's my Tough Armor. It's got the newer padding inside, the yellow padding. My iPhone 11 doesn't have that. And also, you get two of these in a pack, but I had this on at the time as well. So I'll just show you how this works, guys. So basically, throw that over the Pixel 4a, and I won't do it now because I've got a fresh glass here. But you basically, just align that over it, drops in. You do it the other way around and obviously peel that off. But yeah, really recommend that. Again, not sponsored by Spigen, just a tip for my my viewers, because it's saved my phone definitely, and it might just save you one day. So I thought I'd bring my iPhone 11 over at this point. So I've been using my iPhone as my main phone with my SIM card in for the best part of 30 days, and when I have my 4A in my pocket at all times. I have them stuffed next to each other because I love my 4A. I don't want it away from me, and I do use it throughout the day and night, for different things. So yeah, the iPhone is very smooth, as is the Pixel. And the big difference at the 4A, it's just so nice to handle. So look at this, guys. It's just that bit smaller, and it's not as chunky, the bezels, so it's just so easy to use. And I don't think I'll ever get rid of this. I'm a bit sad that the Pixel 5 is going to be probably more this form factor, like a 6-inch or 6.2 inch, more like the 4A 5G, if all accounts are true. So this guy is going to be a classic phone, I think. Okay, so we'll get the iPhone out of the way now, guys. I just wanted to talk about, my opinion on the iPhone. I think they're great phones. They've got the limitations. I like Android for its changeability, or you can modify things. You can have it exactly how you want. I've got 5 apps, abreast there to only 4 apps. You can't have any more than 4 apps on here, and it's a bit of a waste, really. In a lot of ways, this £350 device, it does wipe the floor with this in a lot of ways. One thing I'm surprised about, though, the camera is very good. The stills on the iPhone are amazing. Near enough up there with this guy. So I think I'll do a camera comparison at some point too. The video on the iPhone is superior. Anyway, let's get the iPhone out of the way now. Okay, so the 4A, it's holding up really well. As I say, I've not had my SIM in it for the last month or so, but it's running really well. I've not noticed any slowdowns in the last month. I'm still using it heavily for filming on YouTube and for video editing. My video editing work streams moved a bit over to iOS because I've got the iPad Pro, and it's nice and easy to edit with this guy with the Apple Pencil. But yeah, this, if this was your only device, it can do a lot. It's a really good phone. And let's check how the battery's holding up. So I've just found out the Pixel 4a doesn't have a built-in battery health setting. You can't check the health, but Accu battery, I have used it over the years on a lot of Samsung phones, and it's in good shape. So it's on 101%. So the design capacity is 3080 milliamp hours for the 4A, but I think at the factories sometimes you can get a slightly bigger capacity because they're not a rigid frame. The batteries are like a bag of, you know, whatever they put in them, acid or whatever. Yeah, my battery must have been bigger than the design capacity, so that's nice to see that it's on 101%. I've had this since, how long have I had this for? Let's check. So yeah, I got the 4A in January 2021, so it's just coming up for 7 months old. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. You know, that's a good testament because I've really put this phone through its paces. So it's had 85 sessions, it says here. So 85 charges. Surely it's had more than that because I charge it every night. And I think I only downloaded this in June. That's why it's saying that, because I was interested back then. But yeah, there you go, guys. If you've got a 4A yourself, let me know what your battery health's doing. You could always get Accu Battery. It's a free app. So yeah, another thing, like cosmetic, how's the case holding up? So I've got no dents. It has been in that speaking case since near enough day one. I think I got the speaking case the day after. But yeah, no marks on any of the corners. I have used it outside of the case in the house. You know, in really good shape. So yeah, I think it's a tough little device, this one. So it's running Android 11 and it's on the security update from the 5th of July 2021. So that's a nice thing about Google Pixel phones. You get the latest security update. So I know full well 5th of August or, you know, that week I'll get another security update. Whereas other manufacturers, it does take a while. It's not always monthly. You know, it's just nice to get that security update every month. And so it's had the Google Play System update on the 1st of April this year. So this is going to continue to get upgrades till 2023, I believe. It's 3-year support. And might actually be a bit less than that. It came out in August 2020. So it'll probably be, yeah, August 2023, 3 years. So yeah, I'll be interested to see what Android 12 brings. It looks exciting with the new features that it has on board. So you could help me as well, guys, if you wanted, if you didn't mind. So yeah, I've got these two skins from Extreme Skins that you've seen this one on the channel before, but if you see here, it's got edges, which I don't like. I like just the plain back. I don't like it going around the sides because when I then try to take it out of my speaking case, it gets stuck, and I like to take it out a lot and, you know, have the experience of the phone itself, you know, not in a case. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe go with a camo, but I'll let you guys decide for me. You know, I can go back to orange if you want. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to mod them. I'm going to get a Stanley knife and a ruler and chop these edges so that it just fits the back perfect, you know, doesn't go around the sides. So when I want to take it out of my case, it's not a problem. So yeah, just a little one that. I'm going to do a monthly update on the Pixel 4a because I've got big love for it. It's, you know, been a big factor in my channel. It's my most popular device, and I love the device myself. So would you, or should you still buy this? The Pixel 5a is rumored to be coming out next month, and I think regardless at the price this is at the moment, it's $279. I'd just buy it, guys. It's an amazing phone. If you're in the market for a phone and you've got £300 to spend, or you want a cheap contract that's probably around £20, $20 or $25 a month, no brainer. You know, I've tested a lot of phones recently. I've gone back to iPhone, as we said before. You know, I've got a lot of experience, but this is by far the best phone, best bang for buck, best value for the features you've got on deck. It's missing a few things. Obviously, you've not got wireless charging, but you do have always on display, which again, keep going back to iPhones. iPhones don't have that. This is a £700 device originally. It's got an AMOLED screen, which again, iPhones have now. Yeah, I think the only things this is really missing was wireless charging, maybe an extra lens as the 4A 5G got and the 5. That would have been nice, or a telephoto. But you know, for the money, bang for buck, like I say, guys, this is an amazing phone. You know, I still wouldn't look any further. If you just want a phone that does everything well, doesn't have any slowdowns, it's buttery smooth, can keep up with iOS. You know, people say Android's buggy and blah blah blah. It's not buggy. You know, this is just a beautiful device to use. And you know, I'm not sponsored by Google. I have no affiliation to Google, but it's my first Pixel device. I'm sold on it. You know, it's amazing. I'm considering getting the 5A, but I'll probably just keep this, you know, and upgrade to something a bit later on. So yeah, hit me up in the comments, guys, as always. Tell me what you think about this one. I just wanted to check in and say, you know, how it's holding up. Didn't want to go for all the features and bore you again with videos and blah, blah. Oh, the other thing, the screen, perfect. You know, no burning. I'll just show you guys. I'll bring up like a white background. Just had a brainwave, guys. I'm a YouTuber, so I thought I would check YouTube for a white screen video, and there is. So it's pure white for 10 hours, this one. So just to show you, there's no burning, no dead pixels, etc. It's absolutely perfect. Yeah, you know, again, it's holding up fabulously well. It's a great device. So thanks for watching, guys. Tell me what you think about this one. I just thought I'd give you know, a review on how it's holding up. I've had it now 7, nearly 8 months, and yeah, you know, ask me any questions in the comments as always. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you on the next one. Tech Anorak out. Thanks.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.